Meaning of discomfort.
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 Discomfort. Discomfort refers to the feeling of physical or mental unease, sometimes accompanied by pain. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including injury, illness, stress, or uncomfortable environmental conditions. The experience of discomfort can range from mild to severe, and may include sensations such as itching, burning, tightness, or pressure. Discomfort can impact a person's daily life and well-being if left unaddressed, and it is important to address the underlying cause in order to alleviate symptoms and prevent further complications.